kids cough medicine as long as they are given the correct dosage. Typically, promises made by the manufacturers of cough medicines for kids are more about marketing than medicine, says Arthur Lavin, MD, a practicing physician at Akron Children's Hospital in Akron, Ohio, and he emphasizes that parents shouldn't give cough medicine to their kids. While kids' cough medicine may relieve symptoms of a cold, they do not actually cure the illness, explains Drive. Lavin. Bottom line, you should always speak to your pediatrician or a qualified physician before giving cough medicine to a child, regardless of their age.